Hey, do you want to see what a foreclosed home in the Hollywood Hills looks like that had a $1.6 million price reduction? Let's take a look. So I checked out this house over the weekend. It's a 5-bedroom, 5-bath house, 4,177 square feet on a 6,000 square foot lot. It's on a hillside, so there's not much flat land. A lot of it is on a slope. And so that's why you'll see this house has 3 levels, and it's all vertical, as a lot of these houses on the hills are, because there's very little flat usable land, so a lot of it has to be built on the hill. So anyways, this is a foreclosed home. It's kind of sad. Whoever was doing this house was rebuilding it or renovating it into a nice modern style, very nice finishes, very high end, as you'll see. And I guess they ran out of money and the lender foreclosed on them. And that's why it's got this fencing here, and you'll see all kinds of like construction stuff around. I guess, they just kind of left things there when, the home got foreclosed on. So anyways, we'll speed this up a little bit and we'll go inside the house. It took me a while to get the key out of the combo box. You have to go in through the carport door. And once you're in the kitchen. And the kitchen looks pretty cool. Check it out. Very modern. And you'll see the house is very modern. It's far from a rectangular box. Floor to ceiling windows. Look at that view. Kind of reminds me of like Europe somewhere, maybe Amalfi Coast. I've never been there, but I've seen the videos and those hillside towns. And downtown is to the right. It's very kind of not foggy, but a little hazy, so you can't see too well. But here's the appliances, all built-in stuff, all high-end appliances. What can I say? It's very sleek, very modern, and this is kind of what you can expect for new modern construction in the hills. And everyone's trying to outdo each other there in the hills here. Insane prices. If you have a great view, like this is a pretty good view. It's not the best view. I've seen better. You got trees blocking the way, and you got the hillside there, so you don't get like what they call jetliner view, where you can see the entire city and maybe a jet going across it. See, it's cool. It's definitely a cool view. But see, like those houses over there, you'll probably get a much nicer view, maybe even the ocean to downtown. So that 180 view from downtown to the ocean, that's very desirable. Obviously it's going to be a nice view, and so it's going to cost more. So this is the first level. That stone door, that's the front entrance. This is, I believe it's a bathroom, powder room. Look at that, there's a window right there, so someone could peek in on you while you're using the bathroom there. So that's kind of weird. But that's like these kind of modern houses. Everything's kind of open. And you'll see more down below. Some kind of utility closet there. I didn't really pay attention to the flooring surface. I don't remember if it's concrete. I think it might be some kind of tile, stone look tile. Here's a staircase going down to the second level. And here there are some bedrooms. Here we are at the laundry room. So just from the laundry room, you can see it's got these stone counters. I think it was stone and not quartz. So the level of finish is very high. Just check out the doors. They're like huge, with these huge pulls. And some of the doorways are really wide. This level has some nice wood flooring. I don't think it's laminate. It's probably higher end stuff. And there's a level down below that's not finished. I think that was part of probably why they ran out of money. They were spending a lot of money in here. Look, see, there's more stone, high-end finishes. The door handles are nice. They're not stuff you find at Home Depot. And you come out here, so this is an interesting room. I don't know what to make of it. It looks like it should be a bedroom with this exposed bathroom. See, it's like a master, because it's got dual vanity. Look at that toilet, cool toilet, but it's just right there out in the open. I don't know if I'd like that. And that, I think, is supposed to be the closet, but it's kind of weird because it has that rack for, like, you know, your audio, video, and telecom equipment. And you'll see throughout these high-end thermostats, I've never seen those kind before. Not that I know everything about thermostats and high-end stuff, but it looks very nice. It doesn't look like a Nest or anything, but something, you know, a little more expensive. Here we go down to the bottom level. So we come back to that same type of flooring that was on the first floor or ground level or the Hollywood Boulevard level. There was a water feature there. Here's a bathroom. Again, stone counters, high-end fixtures. You know, they spent a lot of money on this, at least as far as what they could finish. But I think it's that bottom part that's not finished that probably just sunk them. Like, oh, they ran out of money, but they couldn't finish that. I mean, they're not even done in the main house. I mean, they're almost done, but there are little things here and there. That's one of the bedrooms. You can see on the floor those round things. Those are electrical outlets. This is the bedroom entrance to that bathroom we first came in. So this bathroom can be accessed from the hallway outside and the bedroom. And the bedroom has great floor-to-ceiling windows as well, so you can get a great view. I'm pretty sure that's a slider, so you can go out there and enjoy the deck out there. That part of the deck looks somewhat finished, but when you come out here, and I don't know what this is probably just a huge bar. I guess it could be converted to a kitchen, which is interesting to have that kind of thing out here. I guess this could be a family room, and I don't know if you saw that deck out there. It looked really worn, and it just didn't look safe. And that glass window there was probably had water coming down from above that would pool into the water feature that's recessed in the floor. I don't know if you saw that before, but so very nice home. I mean, for what they've done so far, you could tell they were aiming high as a very modern, luxurious home. They ran out of money. They didn't finish the bottom. Supposedly there's like an ADU down there, accessory dwelling unit, that's accessed by a different street. So it's a very interesting and unique property. But there are a lot of unique properties in the hills because the way the streets all wind, property can face two streets. And yeah, so there's your view. There's a house, $4.4 million after a $1.6 million haircut. It's a REO. It's been on the market for quite some time. Originally listed at $6 million, as you could probably guess. And well, there you have it. A $1.6 million reduced foreclosed home in the Hollywood Hills. Hey, this is dale.shin, LA area realtor. Click the thumbs up button, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay tuned for my next video.